China is in the bullseye of this robotic revolution.
Yeah, we got a movie idea now. Hello and welcome to Talk Chineasy, where I teach you Chinese with ease. My name is ShaoLan. I'm going to teach you a useful phrase of Chinese every day. Now we are going to learn how to say robot in Chinese. I'm joined by Erik Brynjolfsson. Erik is an MIT professor, a world-leading expert in how technologies such as artificial intelligence and robots could affect the world economy. Welcome, Erik.
你好.
你好. Wow, you already know how to say hello in Chinese. 你 is you, 好 is good. 你好, Erik.
你好, ShaoLan.
The Chinese economy has been driven by manufacturing and human labor. Do you see the development of robotic technology affecting Chinese economy growth or labor structure?
Definitely. I think China is in the bullseye of this robotic revolution because there's so many people there doing manufacturing work and streaming to the cities, but robots are learning how to do those same tasks very well.
Mm-hmm. I know you are in very high demand to visit China very soon, and perhaps we can show you how to say robot in Chinese?
That would be great.
Okay. It's only composed of 3 words to say robot. We say 机器人.
机器人.
机器人, that's right. Let's work on word by word to make it perfect. 机 means machine. 机.
机.
And the way you say that, you can have your mouth quite open and make it quite flat. 机.
机.
Perfect. And it's the first tone, so you make your tone consistent. 机.
机.
Perfect.
机.
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 The second word, 器.
器.
器. That means device or equipment. 器.
器. Which tone is that? Is that also the first tone?
器 is the 4th tone. You go down.
器. Okay, I see. 器.
器.
机器.
When you put 2 words together, 机 is the 1st tone. 器, 4th tone. 机器.
机器.
人.
人.
人 is person.
人.
人 is the 2nd tone. You got it perfectly. So 机器人 together means robot. The machinery person is a robot.
机器人.
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 That's right, 机器人. And when we use 机器人, that could mean any type of robots, just like you are the expert in robotics. So you know there are different shape and form. Could be human shape, could be no shape, could be animal shape, like cheetah developed by MIT. But we call them, in a nutshell, 机器人.
Yeah, we call them all robots in English as well, but they have many shapes and sizes.
Mm-hmm. And we know 机器人, with the machine only, they can't really do things. They need to have software and combined with artificial intelligence to make them to do the things. And we know they can also have something called machine learning. Since robots are getting so good at learning languages, do you see that robots could also learn culture and maybe human interaction? We know there are some robots which can detect people's expression and emotion.
That's actually one of the hardest things for robots to do. It's an area where people still have a big advantage. Robots are great for rote, repetitive work, but the kind of human interaction that people do with each other, emotional intelligence as opposed to just standard information, those kinds of things are much harder for machines to do.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And can you share with us what are you working on nowadays in your research?
Well, these technologies like machine learning that you explained are changing the world in lots of ways. And I'm trying to understand the new business models and new economic structures that are best for a world where machine learning is widespread.
Great. And should we try again how to say robot in Chinese?
Yes.
Okay. We say 机器人.
机器人.
That's right. When you say 神, the first time 神 means God. So you have a robotic God.
Okay. It should be person, not God, though, right?
That's right. It has to be person, unless this particular goddess type robot is going to take over other minion robots.
Maybe in a few years, but not this year.
Yeah, we got a movie idea now. Okay, 机器人.
机器人.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Eric, and thank you for listening to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you one useful phrase of Chinese every day. We hope you enjoyed this episode. 机器人 robot. 机器人. Please don't forget to rate us, review us, and be sure to share what you have learned. Until then, 再见.
再见.